Hello! Are you also finding a best AI video generator?
Today, we will show you the best and free video AI generator. So stick with us to get the whole informations.
What you are looking at right now are also generated by AI. Now, let's start the tutorial. First, open your search engine and search for Google AI Studio. Now, you will have to log into the website, as I have already logged into it, thus I don't need to do it again. Now, check the interface. Now, go to Generate Media and follow my steps. Write anything on here to get the AI-generated results. Very easy and free. Because it's fully free, will be some drawbacks. As it has huge amount of users, it will take about 50 to 60 seconds to generate per video. Without these reasons, everything is smooth and perfect. I'm really impressed with how good the Google AI generator is. It's super easy to use, fast, and the results are surprisingly accurate. Honestly, anyone can use it. No tech skills needed. I just made a super funny Pessi and Penaldo clip using the Google AI generator, and honestly, it was way easier than I expected. You don't need any editing skills or fancy software, just a few clicks and the AI does most of the work for you. I added some hilarious dialogue and reactions, and it came out looking like something straight off a meme page. If you've got a funny idea or want to make your own edits, you can totally do it too. The tools are simple, fast, and a lot of fun to play around with. Give it a try. You'll be surprised how good it turns out. And that's a wrap on today's clip. I hope you had a great time watching the Pessi and Penaldo chaos. It was so much fun putting it together with the AI. There's plenty more where that came from, so if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with your football-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more funny edits, memes, and AI-generated madness. Your support means a lot and keeps the content coming. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned and stay laughing.